If you're serious about building a legitimate digital marketing business, getting your business BN is Hey there, I'm Cassie, a 27-year-old entrepreneur from Toronto, Canada, and if you're watching this, you're probably curious about how to make an extra $500 a month or even more. That kind of income can be truly life-changing, and trust me, I've been right where you are. Just a few years ago, I was endlessly scrolling, Googling, and researching ways to make an online income until I finally cracked the code. Now I earn a full-time income completely remotely, traveling the world and making money from anywhere just with my phone and some Wi-Fi. On this channel, I'm here to show you exactly how I went from dreaming about a better life to actually living it. My goal is to help people just like you create the freedom and flexibility that comes with earning online. So let's get started. This video is going to be talking about how to open up a business in Canada, a step-by-step guide. So if you're tuning in today, let me introduce myself. My name's Cassie. I'm 27 years old and I've been an online entrepreneur for the past 3 years. And this channel is going to help expand your horizon on all things social media, making money online, and how to professionally create an online income for yourself and grow your business to the masses. Opening up a business can be a smart move because while having money come in, it is important to start having a plan with the type of money you are making. Things like what to do around tax season. What are things that you can start writing off as a business expense? In this video, I want to mention that I will be covering legal aspects, structure, taxes, and other essentials to make it easy for anyone to start their online journey. So let's get into it. Step 1, decide on a business structure. Let's kick things off by talking about one of the most important decisions you will be making when starting a business, and that is choosing the right business structure. In Canada, there are 3 types of business structures to choose from: sole proprietor, partnership, and corporation. Let me break down each and every one of these for you. First up is sole proprietorship. This is the simplest and most common type of business structure, especially if you are just starting out. It's basically you running a business by yourself. The best part, it's easy to set up and you get to keep all of the profits. But here's the downside. Because it's just you, you are personally responsible for any debts, any legal issues your business faces. That means if something goes wrong, your personal assets, like your car or your home, could be at risk. So while it's quick to start, there's a bit more risk involved. Next up, you've got partnerships. This is a great idea if you're starting an online business with one or more other people. Think of it as like splitting the business and all the responsibilities among your partners. Just like with sole proprietorship, partnerships are easy to set up, but the big difference here is that you're sharing the profits and the liabilities with your partner. So if you have a business that does well, that's great and you all benefit. But if there are any financial issues, you're all responsible and your personal assets could still be at risk. So that's why if you're going with partnership, it's important to have a solid agreement in place just in case things don't go as planned. If you are looking for more protection, you might want to consider incorporating your business. A corporation is a separate legal entity, which means your personal assets are generally protected if anything goes wrong. So if the business accumulates a lot of debt or gets sued, you personally aren't on the hook for them. The downside to that is that it comes with a lot of paperwork and the setup process can be a little bit more complicated. But for many business owners, especially if you're planning to scale or hire employees, incorporating is a smart move in the long run. Plus, corporations may offer some tax advantages. So when it comes to choosing the right business structure, it's really dependent on your personal situation and your business goals. If you're starting out and want something simple, a sole proprietorship might be the best fit for you. But if you want more protection and plan on growing your business, incorporating would be the way to go. Take your time, weigh the pros and cons, and make sure that you pick what's right for you. All right, once you figured out your business structure, the next big step is registering your business name. So this is super important because it's how you'll make your business official and start building your personal brand. In Canada, you can choose between federal or provincial registration. So what's the difference? Well, if you go with federal registration, it allows you to operate your business all across Canada. This is perfect if you plan on expanding or want to offer services outside of your home province. And on the other hand, provincial registration limits you to just that province. It's usually a bit cheaper and quicker to set up. So depending on where you want your business to grow, you'll need to decide which one is best for you. To get started, you'll need to do a business name search. This is to make sure that no one else has your business name. So you can do this through a website called Nuance. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll put it here, which gives you a report showing if your desired name is available. If it's clear, then you can proceed with registering it either federally or provincially, depending on your choice. I get it. This sounds like a lot of work. And so if you're just like me and you want to skip all of the heavy lifting, let me tell you about Owner. Okay, this is not a paid promotion at all, but this is a platform that I personally used to set up when I started my business. And honestly, it made everything so much simpler. When I tell you, they handled everything for me. They handled the name search, the registration, literally everything. They even went as far as booking my bank appointment to set up and open up a business banking account, which saved me a ton of time. So if you're interested in checking out Omer's, I do think it is a Canadian company, but you would be supporting this channel. I've got an affiliate link down below in the description of this video. It's a small way of saying thanks and keeping these videos coming while making sure that you're all set up for the right success. So trust me, they made the whole process so much more easier for me, and I want to make sure that you experience this. So whether you're going to be doing it yourself or using a service like Omer's, getting your business name registered is a key step in making your business official. Once this is done, you're well on your way to turning your idea into a reality. Step number 3. So now that you've got your business name registered, the next step is to get your business number, also known as a BN. This is a really important step. This is what officially registers your business within the Canada Revenue Agency, also known as the CRA. Basically, it's just like your business social insurance number. It's like how the government identifies your business for tax purposes. Now, if you're starting a digital marketing business, you might be thinking, do I really need this? The answer is yes. Whether you're offering services like social media management, SEO, advertisement, or even selling digital products, your business still needs to be registered with the CRA. Even though digital marketing happens online, your earnings are still subject to Canadian taxes. So having a business number is like a non-negotiable. So getting your BN is super easy and doesn't take long. You can apply directly through the CRA website, and once you register, you'll get your BN pretty quickly. Just make sure you have all of your basic info already ready, like your business name, your structure, and you'll be good to go. The good news is that if you are in digital marketing, you don't need a ton of extra permits or licensing. Most of the time, your BN and the solid business plan are already all up and running for you. However, if you are planning to sell digital products or services internationally, you might need to double check if there are any additional legal requirements like cross-border tax regulations. But for the most digital marketing businesses is a straightforward process. And so just like the registration process with Owners, if you want to make things super easy, you can always use Owners. I personally used it for my business. Like I said, they helped me register my BN, even set up my business banking appointment, and saved me a ton of time and hassle. So if you want to support this channel and make your life easier, make sure to go down to the affiliate link down in the description. If you're serious about building a legitimate digital marketing business, getting your business BN is a must. It's quick, it's easy, it's essential for staying compliant with Canadian tax laws. Plus, everything set up properly, you can then focus on doing what you do best, which is building your online presence and scaling your digital marketing business. Step 4. Now that you got your business number and everything is registered, the next step is opening up a business bank account. Trust me, this is a really important step, especially in digital marketing, because you want to keep your personal and your business finances separate from day one. As a digital marketer, you're going to have multiple income streams, whether it's from client payments, affiliate marketing, digital products, and ad revenue. Keeping everything mixed with your personal account not only makes your finances messy, but it also makes tax season a complete nightmare. By having a separate business account, you'll have clear records of all your business transactions, which will help you when it comes time to filing your taxes and tracking your profit. So, what would you need to open up your business bank account? Typically, you'll need these 3 things. 1, your business BN, your business number, which you should already have by now. 2, your business registration papers to show your business is legit. And 3, personal ID using a driver's license or passport. Once you've got these documents ready, then you can head over to your preferred online banking and open up an account. One thing I love with owners, I also got a $300 bonus discount by opening up a business bank account with RBC. Through owners, I got that $300 rebate. So what should have costed me $500 ended up costing me $150 to open and incorporate my business. So step 5, now that you've got your business officially set up and your bank account all sorted, it's time to talk about something super important: taxes. I know taxes can feel a little bit overwhelming, but getting a handle on your tax obligations from the start will save you a lot of stress later on. So let's break down what you need, especially if you're running a digital marketing business. First, you'll need to report any income that you make from your business to the CRA. So whether that's income from your clients' projects, affiliate commissions, digital products, ad revenue, you'll be responsible for reporting all of that and paying taxes on all of your business earnings. And remember, this applies even if your digital marketing business is a side hustle. So it's really important to track everything. Next, let's talk about GST and HST. If your business earns more than $30,000 in a year, you're required to register for a GST/HST number and start charging tax on all of your services and products. Even if you're mostly working online, you still have to follow these rules. If you are under $30,000, you don't have to register, but sometimes it's a good idea to do so anyways, because you can start claiming tax credit on your business expenses. Let's talk about tax write-offs. So one of the best things about running your own business is being able to take advantage of tax write-offs. As a digital marketer, you can write off business expenses like your phone bill, home office, software subscriptions, and even your marketing costs. These write-offs help to reduce your taxable income, which means that you'll end up paying less on taxes. And don't worry about this. I'm going to actually be covering another video on how to maximize your tax write-offs in a future video, so stay tuned. And one thing that I use to easily track my tax expenses is QuickBooks. And I personally use it because it keeps everything organized. It tracks all of my income, expenses, and even my mileage. And this just overall makes tax season so much more easier. It categorizes everything for you. And again, this will be talked about in another video, and I'll walk you through exactly how I use QuickBooks to run my business, to keep all of my business finances in order. So make sure that you subscribe for that. I want you guys to know that understanding your taxes is crucial for any business owner in Canada. From income tax to GST and HST to claiming write-off, it's all a part of staying legit and maximizing your earnings. And don't forget, I will be sharing all of these tips in an upcoming video on how I track expenses with QuickBooks. All right, so we have hit step 6, and this is the final step in launching your business, and that is building your online presence. This is a huge step, especially for those in digital marketing, because this is where you really get started. This is how you get noticed, attract your clients, and grow your brand. First off, you're gonna need to create a website, okay? It doesn't have to be anything super fancy. It just needs to be a little bit professional, clear, and showcase what it is that you're offering. So platforms like StanStore, System.io, Beacons, make it easy to build a website without needing to be an expert in coding or anything like that. I will be covering this in another video, so make sure to subscribe. I'll be comparing and breaking down all three of them. Your website is basically like your online business card. It's the first impression that a potential client will have about you. So make sure you include your services, your portfolio, some testimonials, the way for someone to contact you if they have any questions or want to work with you. Now, let's talk about social media. In the world of digital marketing, having a strong social media presence is like, it's a must, okay? Whether it's on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, pick a platform where your target audience hangs out the most. Share valuable content that highlights your expertise, whether it's marketing tips, success stories, behind the scene look at your business. Social media is where you really want to start building those relationships with your audience and your potential clients. So be consistent and authentic in how you choose to show up for yourself. Okay, now this is my favorite part. It's building your personal brand. This is what really sets your business apart from someone else. People are more likely to connect with you than connect with just your services. So people want to know about the person behind the business, which is why it's so important to build your personal brand. So making sure to share your journey, share your values, share what makes your approach to digital marketing so unique. And this is exactly what I help to teach in the UBC program. People like you build their personal brands that are authentic, relatable, and profitable. Now, here is a quick tip for you, okay? Don't be afraid to start small. Your website, your social media, they do not have to be perfect from day one. The key is to just start. Put yourself out there, tweak as you go, and remember that your brand will evolve over time. And if you're feeling stuck or need help with building that online presence, check out my UBC program where you literally get walked through exactly how to create a personal brand that will make an impact. So there you have it, the final step. It's all about getting your business out there and into the online world. Your website and social media are the doors to your business and your personal brand. It is key to standing out. So get started, build those connections, and start growing your digital marketing empire. And if you need help, I am always here. Make sure to drop comments so that I can get back to you. We have covered a lot today, from getting your business name registered to understanding your tax obligations and building that online presence. So now you're equipped for all of the essentials to kickstart your digital marketing business. I know personally that this can be overwhelming at first, but remember, everyone's big journey starts with one small step. The most important thing is to just get started and keep moving forward. Don't be afraid to dive right in, make adjustments as you go, because growth is all about learning and evolving. And if you're looking for more in-depth guidance and tools and resources to help you build that online presence, check out the UBC course. It's designed to help you with everything social media strategy, building a personal brand. So it'll help you truly shine in this digital marketing space. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I've got plenty more of content coming your way, including tips on tax write-offs, advanced marketing strategies, and how to monetize your online presence effectively. So thank you for watching, guys. And remember, you've got this. Keep on hustling, and I'll see you on the other side.